folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is January 25th, 2021. What happened to mortgage rates? Stay tuned. We'll be back in 30 seconds to go over all this. Okay, I'm getting some feedback. They're like, Dan, just get to what happened today and go over some rates and kind of your prediction, but make it a little bit shorter. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to quit babbling. Let's get on to the market. Follow here on a daily basis, basically what's happening with the MBS market. What is the MBS market? Well, basically it's simply the biggest component. It's a bond that trades on Wall Street that is the biggest component or the biggest factor in mortgage rates. What's going on with mortgage rates? So that's what this number represents. So just to explain this number to you, as the price of the bond goes up, yields come down or mortgage rates come down. As this price goes down, rates go up. There's an inverse correlation with that. So meaning it's flip-flop. So don't take this number that we're going over as what's going on with rates. It's what's going on to the price of the bond. So in this case, the price is up 5. What did we just go over? Price goes up, rates come down. So that's what's going on right now. Earlier today, the market was up more. So let's go over what happened today. So we opened the gate at 103.34, moved all the way up to 103.44, so about 10 basis points. Then we dropped back down, then we moved back up. So right now we're basically up 5. We are up 5, which isn't that, I'll take it, but it's not a big enough move to really move the markets or move what's going on with rates. The economic calendar for this week, so I go over this just so we know is there anything coming up that really could shake the market. Well, today, no, just a Treasury auction, no big deal there. Tomorrow is mostly consumer confidence and what's going on with home prices. I don't think we're going to get any surprises there. You might be, as a consumer, surprised that you're missing out on this boat if you haven't bought a house. The next thing is what the Federal Reserve is meeting this week. They're going to come out and tell us if they're going to do anything. The assumption there is they're not going to do anything. They're going to come back and what we got to really focus on is their verbiage. What are they saying? Every little word gets scrutinized. So if they come out and say, you know what, well, if the economy turns around, we're going to raise rates, that'll spook the heck out of the market. I don't anticipate anything of that. These guys aren't dumb. They're going to come in with words or they're going to verb everything as, you know, if and when any more stimulus is needed, we're here to accommodate that, and that's what we're looking for. On Thursday, we're going to have jobless claims and some other stuff in regards to jobless claims. That is that day. I don't see anything really out of the ordinary there. We'll probably get some revisions to the positive side there, I'm hoping. And then on Friday, we're going to get personal consumption and personal income. There should be no shocking surprises there as well. Today we saw the mortgage rates basically down 1 basis point, basically irrelevant. There's been no moves in the market as predicted right here. We're up 5, not a big enough move to really make any adjustments to the market. So right here we go over where basically everybody in the country is, or the average rate is for 30-year rates on conforming, jumbo, FHA, and VA. And those numbers are right here. The one-day delta is what change, delta means change, has changed in the last day. Sorry for my stuttering. The 1 basis point is 1/100th. So if you add that over here, that means that we're down 1 basis point from Friday. So that means Friday we were at 2.84. If we're down 1 today, that, again, do the math. A 7-day delta, so last week, today we're down 3 basis points from where we were last week. So we're going in a good direction. A year ago, we were about 100 basis points, which is 1% across the board. Lower, we're almost 1% lower than where we were a year ago. If you look at here, most of these rates a year ago were in the 3.6 to almost 4 range. Now we're at 2. We're in the high 2s. So again, high 3s here, high 2s here, about 1% change there. What's going on in the market that we should be concerned with? Well, nearly 20% of renters are behind on their mortgage payments. Why should we be concerned with that? Well, if the renters aren't paying, The person that owns that building that has a mortgage on that place might not be paying, but thank goodness for the forbearance agreements right now. That is not hurting us yet. It's not an echo. I'm saying that. And I have videos in regards to how you can rectify or your best options when it comes to forbearance. So that's what's going on right there. The good news is the pandemic is driving people into buying bigger homes in the suburbs. We're seeing that. And then also over here, existing home sales climb 0.7 in December 2020. This date is always 1 month behind. So that's what's going on there. What else in the mortgage news? Guys, there's still a huge demand for mortgages. We're closing most of our loans from 30 to 45 days, but don't be surprised if it's taken 2 months to get your loan closed. This is the headlines right here. The average out in the market right now is it's taken 2 months to close refis. If you're looking to buy a house, we can usually accommodate a 30-day close on that, but refinances are tough because those could be pushed out a little bit. Not that we're trying to ignore you. But when you're buying a house, it's a domino effect. There's a lot of pieces of the puzzle when it comes to buying a house. You're buying that person's house. The person selling it might be buying another house. That person selling that house might be buying another house, and it's a complete domino effect. The next thing is, one thing I want to ask you is please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. But I ask this every day, and I get a lot of these things, and that's all I'll continue to ask. If you're in the process right now of getting a mortgage because you're buying a house, building a house, or whatever, your mortgage company has to give you a loan estimate. I did 3 today. All 3, I was able to get the people lower rate and lower fees. So please send me your loan estimates. If you haven't started doing anything yet and your rate is 3.5 or higher, send me a copy of your mortgage statement. Just let me know, Dan, what would it need to be if I keep my same payment? How can I reduce my term? Or if I refinance back to a 30-year term, can I save some money there? Maybe use that money to invest or whatever. Whatever I can give you a ton of options. But send me your mortgage statement and let me know what's in your brain. What is your ultimate goal? What are you looking to do? And I'll structure it around that and then give you my 2 cents, what I would personally do if I was in your shoes. So how do you reach out to us and get help from me and my team? Well, the best way to do that is go to therateupdate.com, and that'll take you to my website right here. Scroll down to the bottom. You can get a hold of us at 844-775-LOAN. That's 844-775-5626. Or email me that loan estimate, email me your mortgage statement, email me any questions you have to dfrio@preferredrate.com. If you want to get started immediately, if you're looking to buy a house, click the home purchase qualifier. It'll ask you questions. Based on the answers, it'll guide me to the best program for you. That's if you're looking to purchase a home. Here's if you're looking to refinance. Here's if you want to just apply now. You know what you want to do, and you just want to get the ball rolling. Click the Apply Now button. If you want us to call you and just go over any questions you might have, hit this button right here. Get a free quote. If you want to find out how much is your house worth, the best tool in the market right now is a paid service, but I pay that service for you, so it's free to you. Click this home valuation system right here and find out how much your house is worth and get a bunch of data in regards to your home. So that is it for today. Hopefully I made that short and sweet. If you guys would, please too, I post a market update video every morning. It's called Scrub, Stocks, Crypto, Real Estate, and Bonds. We go over what's going on in the market, what my predictions are, and what I am personally doing in my portfolio in regards to stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. So God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.